A big welcome to the Spirit of Freedom Festival for this year. As some of you may know, this is a festival that's annually organized or celebrated by ESG around Independence Day time. Now, a quick run through of how things are going to work today. Two semi-finals of 3 teams each, and the top 2 from each semi-final will go to the final, so we'll have 4 in the final. So the first semi-final will be contested by sitting on team 1, Our Lady of Rosary High School, Higher Secondary School, College. And that's the team consisting of. And the second team up on stage in semi-final 1 is Santa Cruz Higher Secondary School of Arts, Commerce and Science. Santa Cruz. Also, Madam is come from Santa Cruz, which thankfully is not very far. And you will sit there. And the last team on stage is Mustif and Aryan Higher Secondary School, Panchayat. Okay, so we have our 3 teams on stage so that it becomes fair, and we use a system called infinite bounds, which means we'll start with team 1, and the first question will go to team 1. And if they don't answer it, it will go to team 2. And if they answer it on the pass, the next question will go to team 3. So we have 4 rounds. The first 2 rounds are passing rounds. So in the first round we'll go this way, which is anti-clockwise, and on the second round we'll go clockwise. The last 2 rounds are on the buzzer. Okay, scorer for today will be Sneha, who will keep score, and scoring wise will be Sneha, 10 points for every correct answer. Oh, what I should do is I will ask you to introduce yourself first.
I'm Lakshmi Kasim from Our Lady of Rosary High Secondary School.
Okay, and you are?
I'm Rachel Dad.
Okay, that's Lakshmi and Rachel. Let's do a round of introductions. You do also first. The question will continue.
My name is Amit Singh from Sandalwood High School.
Abhit.
Singh.
Abhit, right? Abhit.
My name is Vishal and I am from Sandalwood High Secondary School.
Okay, Abhit and Vishal, I remember that.
Shashwat Salgankar.
And?
Shubham Tiwari.
Okay, so everyone ready to start? Audience? Yes. So all questions will come up on screen. In the buzzer round, the last buzzer round, they won't come up on screen, but don't bother about that right now. So we'll start with Our Lady of the Rosary. And the first question is, so as you know, all the questions are on India or stuff to do with India. And generally these, I would say, are reasonably easy questions. So you should be able to get it. Okay, first question to Rosary. This is the first semi-finals of the My India quiz for 2012. So what did Pingali Venkaiah? He was a geologist, a farmer, later on became a farmer, and a freedom fighter from Machilipatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Now at the International Congress Conference in 1921 at Vijayawada, which was quite close to where we live, he did something, Mahatma Gandhi told him to do something, and he did something basically. What did he create, or what did he come up with? What's your answer? You said pass. And we will pass you to Santa Cruz. They pass as well.
Designed the national flag.
That is right. He designed the Indian national flag. He came up with the first design of the flag. It wasn't exactly like what we use today, but it was more or less that was the first idea of the national flag, and Pingali Venkaiah was the guy who designed that. So I would have thought that was one of the obvious ones that would be asked at the My India quiz, but obviously nobody caught on. So next question, using our infinite bound system, we'll go back to your Rosary. 10 points to Mustifan for that one. So earlier this year, a musical troupe called the German Film Orchestra Babelsberg, they are from Babelsberg, joined with the KM Music Conservatory, which is an Indian music group, on a 5-city tour of India, holding concerts, and they were 100 members strong troupe. They played concerts in 5 different cities in India. They played exclusively music by which music composer? Rosary?
A.R. Rahman.
Good answer. It is A.R. Rahman. Little bit. There was a guess, I think. Maybe you went by KM Music Conservatory is A.R. Rahman's company, basically. Good answer, Rosary. That's 10 points. You played all A.R. Rahman songs, basically, in an orchestral arrangement. And next question to Santa Cruz. So the Namgyal dynasty, which was founded by King Bhagan in 1470, ruled over which kingdom that is now part of a larger Indian state? This is an ancient kingdom that was basically established by the Namgyal dynasty, and they ruled over, since 1470, they ruled till about the 1830s. So An ancient kingdom which is part of an Indian state. So you have to give me the name of the kingdom. Santa Cruz? Use your mic.
Kingdom Bhojas.
Kingdom of the Bhojas.
Bhojas.
What is the name of the kingdom? No, it's not that. Because I said Namgyals. Namgyals were the names of the kings. Okay. Pass to Mushtafan. Mushtafan Aryan, that is.
Darjeeling.
Not Darjeeling. Reasonably good guess. Rosary?
Vijayanagar.
Not Vijayanagar Island. This one goes to the audience.
Himachal Pradesh.
Not Himachal Pradesh, but you're getting closer.
Magadh.
Not Magadh.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Closer, closer. Very closer. No. Little more north. Ladakh is correct. Somebody said Ladakh. I thought the name Namgyal gives a clue as to, it's more like a Tibetan name. So Namgyal is Ladakh. Almost a good answer, sir. You went up to Jammu and Kashmir. You didn't go up another 100 kilometers. So no points to anybody on stage. The question will come back to you because nobody answered. Santa Cruz. So last question in this round. Remember the top two teams go into the final. So this Indian company was founded in 1981 by N.S. Raghavan, S. Gopalakrishnan, S.P. Shivulal, K. Dinesh and Ashok Arora. They all worked together at a company called Patni Computer Systems. They all resigned together and started this company. So it's a very, very famous Indian company. You have to fill in both the blanks. Obviously the two first blanks are the most famous people in this company. You have to give me both the names for 10 points. If you give me only one name, you'll get 5 points. Very famous Indian company was started by 7 people, and the 2 people are very famous. The others also are well known, but maybe not as famous as the first 2, which is why I left the first 2 out. Both names. No? That's a pass. Mustifan?
Narayan and Nandan Nilekani.
That is right. These are the founders of Infosys, and the 2 names that are missing are Narayan Murthy and Nandan Nilekani. So that's another 10 points to Mustifan. And we are done with our first round. Let's have a quick look at the scores. I think it's very easy to figure out the scores. Rosary around 10 points. Santa Cruz have not yet taken off. And Mustifan and Aryan have got a little early lead and they've got 20 points. So we'll go straight into the second round, which is a visual round. So all 4 questions in this round are based on one Incredible India, each on an Incredible India ad. You simply in each case have to tell me which state the ad is pointing to. So the first one will go to Santa Cruz. So this magnificent migratory bird used to be the main attraction at the Keoladia Bird Sanctuary in Bharatpur. Until its last, it has not been seen after 2002 at Keoladia. So you just have to give me the name of this bird. It used to come from very, very long distances to India and used to come only at Bharatpur. And thousands of people would go to see it, but it has stopped coming. You give me the name of it?
Siberian.
Siberian bird. No. Rosary.
Pass.
That's a pass. Mustifan.
Saris Crane.
Not the Saris crane, but close. Anybody in the audience? That is right. It's a Siberian crane. You said Siberian bird, which was not close enough. I may have given it to you if you said Siberian crane. But it's a Siberian crane. It used to come from Siberia. Big round of applause for the ball here. You are participating in it. Simply have to identify this person who was in the news connected with a very, very major incident. Santa Cruz? No? Pass you? Okay. Rosary? Oh, that's a pass. I thought this was an easy one. Mustifan? Oh, that's also a pass. Audience?
Blues.
Oh, blues.
Hemant Karkare.
Hemant Karkare is correct answer. Again, this group has got it. Hemant Karkare, the ATS chief, who got killed at the 26/11 shootings and stuff like that. Identify this person. Again, if you want a clue, he's a very famous author who actually lives in Goa most of the time. But a globally well-known author. Yeah, Santa Cruz? That's a pass. Rosary?
Pass.
Oh, that's also a pass. And Mustafa?
Amitabh Ghosh.
That is correct. This is Amitabh Ghosh. And you know about the triangle, that is what gets you 10 points. And after a while, I think we've got some points on the board. So 10 points to Mustafa and Arya. Okay, so last visual question. What is this the logo of? A very well-known thing in India, which you definitely have seen. And you can get clues as to what it is from what's happening in that circle.
Save trees.
There's a wedding.
Not save trees. Rosary? WHO? No.
Census.
It's the census of India. He had it, but you got it in back. I have to take the bus answer here. It's the census of India. So this 10 points also goes to Muslims, who now move up to 40, I think. Rosary are still on 10. And Santa Cruz have now have to come out guns blazing in the buzzer round. Otherwise, they'll be left behind. Okay, so now remember all that big thing I told you about Incredible India? Now it's for this round. Round 3 is the Incredible India round. And as I said, it's all to do with states. But this is on the buzzer. So this doesn't go to anyone. You see the picture, there's no question or anything, you just have to identify which state. You hit the buzzer, then we will go to third umpire. Third umpire will tell us who hit the buzzer first, then you give me the answer. Plus 10 if you get it right, minus 10 if you get it wrong. Okay, so very simple. Audience, everybody is clued in, knows what's going on. Okay, teams ready, fingers on the buzzer. So this is the first of the Incredible India images. You have to tell me which state this is pointing to in the background. Okay, nobody going for this one.
Kerala.
Kerala is correct. It has to be Kerala, the Ayurvedic massage, and that's the Periyar reservoir. So big hand for them. But this is Kerala. So you know how this is going to work. No points for that one. And next question again, similar. Take a look at this picture and tell me which state this is. So nobody is going again, audience? Actually not Lakshadweep. If it's not Lakshadweep, it would be Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So it is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I guess this one is a little bit difficult to go on the buzzer because you may say Lakshadweep or something. And there's not really any clue in it to tell you which is which. So two Incredible Indias and incredibly nobody is gone for it. Number 3 again, open to all, is this. Okay, I'm going to use my discretion and give you a clue and tell you what is the name of this location. Okay, so fingers on the buzzer. These in the picture are the ruins of the Nalanda University. Okay, Bihar is correct. You should say it in your mind. I saw them, they went first, right? Okay, so Nalanda University is in Bihar, so this is Bihar tourism. So first 10 points in this round go to Mustafa. And the last question, that was Bihar, last question in this round, again open to all, and I will give some clues if I think it is necessary, is this one. If nobody goes for it, I'll tell you the location. Okay, I'm going to give you the location. So this is a this image is very famous. This from the Ranthambore wildlife sanctuary. Rajasthan is correct. So Ranthambore is in Rajasthan, and that gives another 10 points to Mustafa. So where are we at? 60? We are at 60 now? 60, 10, 0. We have only 4 questions left.